Welcome to Mathematics Mind. Today we will see some definition of number system. First definition, it is the Pythagorean triplet. If m, n and p are the three natural numbers, then m square plus n square is equal to p square. Then m n p is called Pythagorean triplet. For example, 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. So we can check this. 6 square is equal to 36 plus 8 square is equal to 64 is equal to 100. That is the square of 10. So that's why 6, 8 and 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. For every natural number, m is greater than 1. So that's why we have 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1 is a Pythagorean triplet. If we take m is equal to 2, then 4, 3, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. If m is equal to 3, then 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. All the Pythagorean triplet need not be in the form of 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. In next definitions, we can see the definition of multiple. The product of a number and counting number are known as multiple of that number. For example, if we want to write the multiple of 1, so we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All are the multiple of 1. To write the multiple of 4, we can write 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. One by one we are going to multiply by 4 from all of the counting number. And also we can do for this any multiples we can find. In the note point we can see every number is a multiple of itself and it is the least multiple of that number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Every number is a multiple of 1. In the next definitions factor, if a number x divides y exactly, then x is called factor of y. For example, 3 divides 9 exactly, then 3 is a factor of 9. To write the factor of 4, we can write 1, 2 and 4. Highest factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. In the next definition, prime number. The number which is divisible by 1 in itself, it is called prime number. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So smallest prime number here you can see 2 is the smallest prime number, and if you check this even number, so 2 is the only even number in the prime. In next definition, prime factor. If a factor of a given number is a prime number, then it is called a prime factor. For example, 10. If you want to find the factor of 10, you will get 1, 2, 5 and 10. So out of all these numbers, 2 and 5 are the prime factor. In next definition, composite number. A number which is having the factors other than 1 and itself, it is called the composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, etc. These all are the composite number. Least composite number is 4. Least odd composite number is 9. In next definition, we can see twin primes. A pair of prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. For example, you can see 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, etc. If you check all this difference of these two prime numbers, so you will get 2. So the number of pairs of a twin primes below 100 is 8. Total prime numbers between 100 and 200 is 21. So next definition, perfect number. A number in which sum of all factors is twice of the number is called a perfect number. So examples for perfect number are 6, 28, 496. These all are the perfect number. And so many all other numbers are also available. So you can check factors for 6, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. And if we add this all factors, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, we get 12, which is twice of 6. So in the note point we can see here, if 2 to the power k minus 1 is a prime number, then 2 to the power k minus 1 into 2 to the power k minus 1 is a perfect number. So for example, you can see here, if we take k is equal to 2, then 2 to the power 2 minus 1, we get 3, and 3 is a prime number. Then we can apply this formula and we can get the perfect number. So if we talk about the next definition, that is the prime triplet. Prime triplet is a set of 3 prime numbers in which smallest and largest of 3 difference by 6. That is, the difference will be smallest and largest would be 6. Okay, so in generally we can write p plus 2, p plus 6, and in another way p plus 4, p plus 6. For example, 13, 17 and 19 is the prime triplet.